Welcome everybody. Let's begin today with a loving kindness meditation. This loving kindness meditation is going to be a bit shorter and a little bit of an adaptation from the original version. We'll do the original one in another video. So let's dive in. I'm going to invite you to begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can also find a spot that's on the ground if you like. You can also lie down too, whatever feels best for your body in this moment. So take a few moments just to get comfortable. As we go through this together, you can choose to close your eyes if you like. For some people, that helps deepen that felt sense and connection within our body. If that doesn't feel good for you, that's totally okay. And keep your eyes open, maybe with just a little bit of a gentle gaze at a certain spot in your room. Now, as you find this spot that's comfortable for you, I'm going to invite you to begin to take a few inhales in through the nose and out through the mouth or the nose. Repeating this a few times. Allowing us to just land right here, right now with our body. Maybe you notice your belly beginning to move as you inhale and exhale, with it moving outwards and inwards. Maybe you notice your body beginning to relax, sinking into this present moment. You might also notice your mind beginning to wander, and that's totally okay if it does. The practice of any sort of meditation is not necessarily about doing it perfectly or right, but it's more about just noticing what's happening. So if your mind begins to wander, just note it mentally that, oh, I'm wandering, and then gently bring yourself back to your breath. That's it. We're now going to begin with some loving kindness inwards. Let's do this by practicing our connection to joy. Bring somebody to mind that is very dear to you. This could be a family member, a friend, a colleague, someone that has been there for you that isn't related, past, present, alive or not. It might actually be an animal, a pet, a dog, a cat. Anybody or anyone that has really brought joy. Bring them to mind as if they were seated right in front of you. Imagine them truly wishing for your happiness and your fulfillment. Maybe this is through words that they may say or share with you. Maybe it's through just the gentle look and smile that they are placing upon you in this moment. And in your next few breaths, Imagine inhaling their good intentions and love and kindness being sent your way. And notice where that begins to live and feel in your body. Perhaps it creates some sensations, some warmth, or other feelings. Now you also might notice other feelings such as irritation or anger that could come up as you bring this person up. That is fantastic if it does. If it doesn't, that is totally okay too. Just allow yourself to notice that, and again, notice and gently bring yourself back to your breath. Allowing your breath to be your anchor in this moment and in this practice. And notice if there's any left remnants of emotions or sensations in your body that you can continue to sink into and let live and be permitted to be present in this moment. With this positive feeling of support, perhaps joy and happiness, let's now begin to extend that to somebody else in your life that you believe might need this in this moment. Again, it could be a family member, friend, a loved one, colleague, teacher, an animal, or a pet. Bring them to mind just as vividly as you did earlier by picturing them in front of you. And without too many thoughts or ideas or stories about this person, begin to extend your love and kindness and joy towards them. As you inhale, draw this attention in. And as you exhale, sending this intention of peace, joy, fulfillment in their direction. And continue doing this for a few more cycles of breath. Now begin to release this person from your imagination and feel the emotions and sensations that might reside in your body after sending this love, kindness, and compassion outwards. If it feels right for you, maybe you place your hand on where you notice this sensation. And I'm going to invite you to continue to take 3 deep breaths to finish up today's practice. Knowing that you showed up extending love and compassion towards yourself, towards another. Thank you for taking the time today to join me in this loving kindness meditation. I'll be doing more of this in another video with a longer version. And please hit that like and subscribe button if this felt good to you, and more videos like this will keep coming your way. Take care until the rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon.